Hello everyone. So this is today's economics semester 1 examination question paper. So I've already ticked the correct answer. So the official key is over here. You can go through it. Okay. So already I have checked the answers. So directly we'll move on to the questions one by one. So the answers are already ticked over here. Okay. So you can go through it one by one. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Question number 1. The answer is C. Question number 2, the answer is C, monopolistic competition. Next, question number 3, the answer is A, barter system. Question number 4, again C is the correct answer. Question number 5, B, measure of value. Question number 6A, lack of standard of deferred payment. Question number 7, perfect competition. Question number 8, A, first. Question number 9, capital is the subject to depreciation. A, C is the capital. C is the correct answer. C. Question number 10, C. What is meant by derived demand? If the thing is needed for producing some other good which we actually need. C is the correct answer. Number 11, B. Distributive function. Question number 12, A. Increase. A is the correct answer. Number 13, which of the following is considered as legal tender money? The answer is A, currency, notes and coins. Question number 14, D, directly. Price of the commodity and quantity supplied of that commodity is directly related. D. Number 15, the productivity of land is not affected by D, gender of the worker. Number 16, increase in the tax on the commodity will lead to decrease in the supply of commodity. So D is the correct answer. Number 17, capital is produced means of production. C is the correct answer for 17. Question number 18, C, perfect competition. In which market form is the form a price taker? C, perfect competition. Labor is the only active factor of production. A, active is the answer for number 19. Number 20, milk can be put to several uses, therefore it is called a composite good. Question number 21, differentiate product has. A differentiated product has close but not perfect substitute. C is the correct answer. Question number 22, C. C economy. Barter system is also called as a C economy. Question number 23, homogeneous goods refer to those products which are identical in quality, shape, size, color, etc. The answer is B, homogeneous. Number 24, land is a permanent factor of production. 25, price determination means selling the same product at the different prices to different buyers. 26, land as a factor of production can earn income in the form of rent. A is the correct answer for question number 26. Number 27, division of labor is advantageous to workers as it increases their efficiency, mobility, and save their time and tools. So division. Question number 28, which of the following describes a monopoly form? The answer is A, single seller. Number 29, demand for normal goods will increase with the increase in the consumer income. Answer is C, normal good. Number 30, in monopolistic competitive market, the buyers have imperfect knowledge. C is the answer for number 30. Number 31, the evolution of money started with this stage. Which stage? The answer is D, animal money. Number 31, when producer expect price rise in the future, they would like to reduce the present supply of their commodities. The answer is B, reduce. Number 33, capital formation cannot occur unless there is C, saving. C is the correct answer. Number 34, wage and profit. Laborers get wage and profit. B is the correct answer. Question number 35, network of good entrepreneurs will help to generate employment opportunities. Answer is A. Number 36, dash is essential for a market to be called as a perfect competition. The answer is large number of buyers and sellers. A is the correct answer. Number 37, the concentration of textiles in Gujarat and sugar industry in UP are good examples of geographical division of labor. A is the correct answer. Number 38, as land cannot produce anything by itself, therefore it is called a passive factor of production. D is the correct answer for question number 38. 39, printing machine is an example of physical capital. Question number 40, wide gap between the rich and the poor with reference to income highlights determinant of the market demand. The answer is distribution of income. So this is the end of today's question paper along with the answers. So hope your exams had been done properly. So let us go through the question answers key. So you can see here, I'll scroll it one by one. You can now check it. The answer key is already here. So as per this answer key, I have take the right answer in the question paper so that you can go through the question as well as the correct answer. Okay, so this is all from today's economics semester 1 examination. So please don't get confused, it is economics, not the economic application. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.